Hello, welcome to this slow English podcast. Today I will talk about friends and you will practice English with me. First, let me ask you a few questions. Number one, do you have a friend? Number two, how often do you talk to your friends? And number three, do you prefer to have many friends or just a few close friends? Friendship is a very important part of life. A friend is someone you can trust, you enjoy spending time with, and you feel comfortable with. A friend is someone you can talk to, laugh with, and sometimes even cry with. For example, when you have a problem, you can call your friend and talk about it. And a good friend listens to you, supports you, and tries to help you feel better. Do you have a friend who you can talk to about your problems, or you prefer to bottle up your emotions? There are different types of friends. Let's talk about some common ones. A best friend is someone you trust the most, and this person knows you very well. For example, you could say, my best friend knows everything about me and always supports me. There are also friends you meet at school or at work. You spend time during the day, you talk, and sometimes you help each other. For example, you could say, I have a friend at work. This friend always helps me when I have a lot of tasks. A lot of people have online friends. These are friends you meet on the social media or on the internet. Even if you don't meet in person, you can still build a real connection. What type of friends do you have? Best friend, work friends, online friends, childhood friends? Now let's learn how we can describe our friends. To describe our friends, it's very nice to mention their personality, how they are. For example, my friend is kind. Kind means nice and caring. My friend is funny. Funny means they make you laugh. My friend is honest. Honest means they tell the truth always. A complete example to describe your friend could be, my friend is very kind She always listens to me and she tries to help me feel better when I am sad. She is also funny, so I always laugh when I am with her. So, what about you? How would you describe your friend or your best friend? Write in the comments, my friend is. Having a friend is important because they make our lives better. Friends help us feel less alone, and when we spend time with them, we feel happy and we feel connected. Friends support us in difficult moments when we feel sad or stressed. They listen to us and also they give us advice. A good friend is not being a perfect person, but there are some qualities that are very necessary and important. For example, number one, a good friend listens to you without judging you. Number two, a good friend respects your time and your feelings. Number three, a good friend is there for you in good moments, but also in difficult moments. And number four, a good friend is honest with you, even when the truth is not easy to say. What about you? What other important things you consider a friend must have? Let me know in the comments. What is more important for you in a friend? Honesty, loyalty, or kindness? Sometimes friendships change, people grow, and sometimes they go in different directions. That is normal. For example, you might have a friend from school that you don't talk to anymore. And this doesn't mean the friendship was bad. It just means that life changed. Now it is your turn to answer the following two questions. Number one, how often do you see your friends? And number two, what do you do together? For some people, answering these two questions might be very easy because they probably have a lot of friends or a few friends. But for others, it might be challenging. They might say, friends? But if I don't have friends? But don't worry. Think of this person you talk to very often. A friend or a very good friend can be your mother, can be your sister, can be your boyfriend, your husband, your wife. Thank you for practicing English with me today. I hope this video helps you improve your listening and learn new vocabulary.